Well, hello and welcome back to my channel, Age is Just a Number, and my name is Barbara Jean. This is a channel for women over 40, over 50, over 60, over 70 and beyond who have a love of fashion and beauty, and today it's about both because I got a little haul for y'all. Okay, I've said this before, I live right between a TJ Maxx and a Marshalls, so you can find some amazing deals at these places if you just had the patience to look and see what you can find. So I'm going to show you what I have recently found, and I'm going to start off by these fabulous pants, and you're going to see these in a video coming up very soon. But they were the they're by Jules and Leopold, and they're made in Canada. They were on clearance for $16, and they are a wide leg, thick ponte knit pant, and I'm very, very excited. These are going to be well used in my closet. So there's that. I did find a pair of jeans. These are by Rewash, New York brands, let's see, Los Angeles. These are the high-rise vintage union jeans, and I've been on the hunt for a few more straight leg jeans. They're not all equal because some of the leg sizes of the pants are much more generous than others, and the lengths are different as well too as to where they hit. And I guess this kind of stuck out to me. This is the tag on it, and she's wearing the classic sandals that I have, like my there's Stuart Weitzman. Now these are a faded jean, and these do have some destruction at the knee, little bit on the other knee. So there's plenty of jeans out there if you don't want destruction, but I like a little bit of it. So just, you know, it just gives it a little bit more dimension, so to speak. But these are straight ankle vintage reunion high rise, and these were in the junior department. Now if you don't know, and I think I've tried to jeans are not, juniors are in odd numbers, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, that are juniors, because some departments have, they clearly have a junior department and a Mrs. department as well too, where your Mrs. sizes are your even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc., etc. So, but these, I really like the wash on these and the just enough destruction and the length on this. So I'm excited to bring a video showing you about styling some straight leg jeans in the very near future as well. So what else did I get there? This is by that same, no, this is Sincerely Jules. It's not the same brand as the ones. Now these are very much on trend again this year. Last year, remember, they came out with the padded and the quilted and the braided. Well, they're still coming out. And these are an ivory shade, and I don't see ivory shades very often, and I really like these. And of course, anytime it's a band strap like that, I have to be careful because my foot is a little skinny. So yeah, so these are, they're all man-made material, and these were, how much were these? These were from Marshalls, and these were $29.99. So yeah, so we're just getting to start spring. We're going to start, well, it's not officially until the, what, 21st, but we're practicing here in Texas because it's warm this week. All right, I got some really cool stuff here. And this is what I really, really wanted to show you. I absolutely love the Shiseido cotton facial pads because it doesn't come off whenever I'm taking, I mean, I don't get fibers stuck in my eyes. And these are my favorite, and I always grab them whenever they do. These were at TJ Maxx for $7.99. Now, you can get these at Sephora for $12.99, I believe, or $13.99, something like that. So that was a good price on these, and it'll take me a while because there's actually, does it say how many's in here? A whole bunch, 165. So I use one every night to take my eye makeup off with. So that's going to last me, what, 6 months? Almost. So yeah. All right. So getting to the excited stuff. I got so flippin' excited, y'all. All right. I love to, at night, I do, whoop, we went blurry. Come back. It lost me when I turned around. Okay. I like to do a double cleanse at night. It's just, I know that way that, you know, I take it, cleanse it all, take the makeup off, and then do some type of cleanser on my skin before anything else. So typically I buy the Clinique Take It Off makeup, 3.4 ounce, I believe, which is $34 at Ulta and Sephora, I'm thinking. But what I found was by Rodile. You know this brand? This is a very, very nice brand. And this is the Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm. And this was on the clearance. I found both of these on the clearance for $10 a piece. Now, I'm going to put in a picture right here. Yes, they sell these at Neiman Marcus and Lord & Taylor for $59. So, see, that would, for two of that would have been $120. I paid $20 for both of these, so I saved $100 right there. Yes, I did. I love it. I love it. So, what else did I find? I found these. I wanted to try these tan towels, and these are by Blvd, and there are 4 of them in here for me to try. This is the organic tan infused cotton, and these were $3.99 for 4 of them. So I thought, well, just for try this, because I've heard of this brand, but I have not tried them, so I was excited, and I'll let you know what I think about these. Now, this is, I'm on. Okay. Goop Beauty, Goop Glow. These are the 5% glycolic acid and fruit extracts overnight glow peel light. This is a package of 4 peels, and they sell on the Sephora website, putting a picture up here, $45 for 4 of them. $9.99 for 4 of them instead of $45. So that was a pretty darn good deal. I got 4 boxes of them. Now, they do have expiration dates on them, and these are from Korea, are made in Korea, I do believe. But they do have an expiration date of June of 2022. So that is this year. So with these, it's once a night. I mean, no, excuse me, not once a night. Once a week that you do this after you've cleansed and in your faces and you've done all the stuff to it. Once a week, you take this round pad out and then rub it on your face and let the stuff sit on all night and then rinse it out in the next morning. But I thought this was a fabulous deal because this would have been, what, $180 at Sephora, and I spent 40 of this. So very, very excited. So that is all of the stuff that I found at Marshall's and TJ Maxx just recently. Now, I did go to Sephora because we have a new standalone Sephora over there, and I've been wanting to try this, and I am wearing it today. This is the Patrick Starr BBB Cream Beauty Blur Balm is what that is. Now, I typically, because I don't have a lot of texture on or scarring on my face, so I've never really have gone to those types of foundations because I never really needed them, but I really wanted to try this one out. And I got the shade Fair to R. It's called Fair Rosy Undertones, in which I don't typically have a fair rosy undertone, but it worked. It worked. I played around with the colors and everything and looked at them in the light just to see which one would be best for me. Sometimes when I'm at Sephora and Ulta, I can't take some of the people that work there, their opinions very highly if I can look at them and they don't walk the walk. You know what I'm saying? If they haven't done a good match on themselves, how are they going to do it on me? So that's all I'll say about that. Do as I say, not as I do type thing, I guess. So yeah, so I'm excited to see how this wears all day today. I'll get back and let you know on that. But yeah, that's all my little haul today. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. And it's warm here in Texas. So yeah, we're getting into the spring. So the trees already think so. So because they're budding out, and I can see all the little winter, not winter, but the spring weeds are starting to come out. We're going to have to do some work on that. But yeah, it's the yearly ritual. So I'm going to get out of here. So I just wanted to show you what I got and how much money I saved. So thank you, ladies. Remember what I tell you? I tell you every stinking day to get up and show up because you're worth it. So until I see you in my next video, have a very safe and a very blessed day.